The following BLTV program is brought to you by O'Flaherty Law. Please enjoy.
Hi, I'm Kevin O'Flaherty from O'Flaherty Law. I hope you find this Learn About Law video and podcast helpful. If you need some help, please feel free to give me a call at 630-324-6666. That's 630-324-6666. Thank you so much for watching and listening.
Hi, this is Andrew with Learn About Law, and in today's video we discuss the rights of Illinois parents whose children have been removed by the court. So the two primary factors determining what a parent whose child has been removed by the court should do next is one, do they want reunification with the child, and two, have they been convicted of criminal activity resulting in incarceration. Parents who are incarcerated generally have the same rights as those not in jail regarding their potential reunification, including visitation, to a limited extent unless they had their parental rights stripped in a previous hearing. These rights are going to include things like rights to services to improve the likelihood of reunification, 2, rights to obtain services to improve the likelihood of reunification, and 3, visitation rights unless no visitation has been ordered by the court. Illinois parents' rights to services to improve the likelihood of reunification are going to be things like all individuals involved in creating a service plan for a family will generate a detailed report called an integrative assessment. So this report is given to all the parties involved prior to the court family conference. This assessment is often referenced when making decisions in child custody and parental rights cases. However, not all cases will have an integrated assessment present at the court family conference. This could be for many reasons, including the parent not getting the appropriate guidance due to an encumbered system, but more commonly it is because the parent attempting reunification or some degree of parental rights does not want the potential negative prognosis associated with the report. This is especially true for parents who have been incarcerated. Illinois parents' rights to obtain services to increase the likelihood of reunification are going to include things like the attorney for the parent should work to address any issues that may arise with specific types of services suggested for the parent in the service plan. The attorney can request the caseworker staff the case, which allows the attorney and his or her client to be present when the services suggested in the service plan are reviewed. If there is a failure in the services or a failure to provide the services, the attorney can file a motion asking that DCFS be ordered to provide the appropriate services. This motion also extends to the attorney seeking a finding that reasonable efforts at reunification failed. The type of service suggested for a parent in a child welfare case depends on the issue that the parents present with and what insights may be found on the integrative assessment. Services may include anything from substance abuse and mental health programs to anger management and employment needs. Lastly, in Illinois, visitation rights for parents have a set minimum of once per week for all temporary custody cases, and when the goal is the reunification of the child with the parents, the first visit should take place within 2 weeks of the child being removed to temporary custody. Elements of the parent-child visitation, such as supervised versus unsupervised, should be based on what is in the best interest of the child. The attorney of the parent will, in most cases, strive for unsupervised visits at the caseworker's discretion when the child and parent are deemed ready. If you have any questions about your rights as a parent whose child has been removed, please give us a call. And as always, thank you for tuning in.
Hi, this is Kevin O'Flaherty again from O'Flaherty Law. Just want to let you know we offer free consultations in many areas of law, and we have several geographic locations for your convenience. So if you need some help, please feel free to give us a call at 630-324-6666. That's 630-324-6666. And thank you again for watching and listening.